Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today it is very cold outside, so I decided to meet with you in this vlog, and I want to talk about uh, uh, in general, is it easy or difficult to keep on your old or young timer Mercedes in a good driving condition? You know that I own W210. It is a car which was built in 2000 year E430 with some modifications which I have done. I have owned this car about 13 years from 2011, and now I have enough experience to make my own conclusion and share with you it how I think it is. Is it easy to keep on W210 in the good driving condition, or it is very difficult? And as I already mentioned, my answer is negative. I think that this is enough difficult, and there are some aspects and reasons why I think so. First of all, let's talk about the spares. Everybody knows that even today in 2024 year, Mercedes parts which are original can be found from their dealerships in Europe, in USA. For old Mercedes, for young timer Mercedes, this is not difficult to do, but they cost a lot of money. And if you decided to go to some OEM manufacturer, here we have a problem. The parts brands manufacturers are going out from Europe. They are going to Brazil, China, Turkey, and other countries. I have not nothing wrong with these countries, but let's understand me. The part which you remove from your car says a Mercedes logo on it and made in Germany, and the part you want to install in its place says made in China, made in Brazil, made in Turkey, made in India. This is not a game I'm looking for, and I accept. You always think, is it right decision to change the old part which is even dead to the new which is manufactured in the country which you don't believe that they integrated the quality in this part compared to the OE. So that's why there is always the question which can be answered only your experience. Will this part good or not? I mean the new which you install in the place of old. So the spares are expensive. If you are the guy that likes the spares that have enough and good quality, these spares are always expensive on the old or young timer Mercedes. There are some parts even they cannot be found on the Mercedes original stores. They are enough old, I mean the cars, and the stocks are out. So one reason, parts are expensive. Some guys think that let's change the part in the new with the new, and it will be better compared to the old. Not guys. Just compare the new part which is made somewhere, and the new and the old part which is made in Germany. Compare them to each other in your hand when you are changing them, and then you can make your own conclusion that old parts have better quality. So parts are expensive. This is the first reason because the maintenance of the older or young timer Mercedes are not very easy. Second, tune-up and tuning and other stuff. Everyone likes his or her car to be in a very good condition. There are some guys who think that everything must be original in the Mercedes. Don't understand me wrong, but if I remove some brakes from my W210 and install some brake kit from newer AMG car, is it not original? Yes, this is original, and this is the better. This is called upgrade, guys. So if you like to do some upgrade on your car, it also will cost you a lot of money. I have invested about let's be honest, 10,000 US dollars in my car after I have bought it, and I bought it in 2011 year. And nothing was wrong in overall with my car. It was drivable, and it feel very good. But I decided to upgrade some stuff. You can see from my videos what I have done, and it cost a big amount of money, guys. Brakes, suspension, springs, sway bars, headers, and many other stuff. I can miss something I have done with my car. Even today I'm trying to do this modes. You can see from my videos that the camshafts are in the shelf in my garage and are waiting for its hour, and very soon I will mount them on the car. If you want to mount the camshafts, you must buy all the stretch bolts. These bolts cost about 120 euros. Then you will need some special tools to remove the sprockets and other stuff, and camshaft holding tool. And this means that if you are a guy who likes the tuning Mercedes cars, and not to install some superchargers and turbochargers on it, just tuning naturally aspirated M113 engine, and your car which is equipped with this engine, it will cost you a lot of money. And this is the second reason which makes me think that obtain and keep these cars in the upgraded and even better condition compared to that when it was brand new from factory. It is very difficult and costs some money. It needs some effort, guys. Understand me correctly. There is situation when you have money to buy something, but you cannot find this. These are not available always online, and you must check the internet, dig it, and you can find the part you are looking for once in a year. And this is not very easy, guys. Let's understand and say following in this type. And the third part which makes me think that keeping the Mercedes in the good driving condition is not very easy, and it is difficult. It's the age, guys. I drove my car about max 500 kilometers in year. Can you understand? 500 kilometers in 1 year. I don't use this car every day because the petrol and benzene is very expensive, and it is not reliable to use 4.3 liter V8 every day. It is very difficult. That's why it sits in a garage. But the age does itself, guys. I mean that some plastic parts are cracking, some glued parts are damaged, and other stuff, and you are always on the position when you are ready to repair it. But guys, it needs a lot of money, and as I already mentioned, there are some parts which are not available. For example, if you like to buy the door trim, wood trim, no one sells it separately. Everybody tells that you must buy the whole cover of the door, and the whole cover of the door costs 3 or 4 times much more than the only wood trim. Understand me what I'm meaning. And the age does its job, guys. Even if the car is not used every day and it sits in the garage, age does its, and some parts are damaged due to the age, guys. So the spares are expensive. If you decided to tune up your Mercedes, it will cost tuning your Mercedes. It will cost a lot of money, especially if your car is old or young timer. I am sharing now my experience about W210, but the story is the same with 124, 201, 208, 202, 140, and the Mercedes of this era. And the third reason why I think so is the age, which is our enemy, guys. Age is our number first enemy here. But in overall, if you are enthusiast like me and like your Mercedes, we are ready to do this everything, not very short term, but in the period of the long term. And in overall, we are very happy that we can do everything we want with our cars, even if it costs a lot of material and some timing resources. So my friends, this was a little vlog where I shared my experience with you. Please understand me correctly. I am not going to sell my car. I am going to buy some newer AMG cars in the future, but I will never sell this car because the money I have invested it will never return me back from the buyer. No one cares what you have done with your car. You know, the market price and other stuff. This is bullshit. I don't care about this. So this car will be in family. So if you like old or young timer Mercedes, be sure that you have to spend a lot of money to maintain and keep them on the good working and driving condition. Otherwise, they are the great cars, and I think that my car is a very good car. I'm not talking now about the chassis itself, the rust and other stuff. This is another investment, and you'd better to keep away from the car which has some rust. So let's finish here. My conclusion is following. For me, it cost a lot of money to obtain my Mercedes with original, keep on my Mercedes in the good working condition with original parts and some upgraded things which I am doing to my car and I am sharing with you in this channel. Hope this video was enough informational. If you like, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next episode. The summer is coming and we have a lot of to do with my W210. Hope you enjoy the video. Goodbye, and we'll catch you in the next episodes.